How to change language on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change language on PUBG. Changing language on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile. Launch the PUBG game on your mobile device. Go to Setting. From the main menu, tap on the Setting button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the language option. In the Setting menu, go to the Basic tab. Look for the language option usually towards the top of the basic settings. Choose your language. Tap on the language option and the list of available languages will be appear. Select the language you want to use. Confirm and apply. After choosing the language, the game will ask you to apply the changes. Confirm and the game will update it to the selected languages. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change language on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.